Dear student, listen. While my teaching, I have already instructed. If you have any doubt, ask me. तो मैसेज के थ्रू एक डाउट आया था. क्वेश्चन एक बच्चा ने पूछा था कि Leila said, let me have some coffee. So what I have replied, beta, this is the rule. Leila wished that she could have some coffee. I have replied. Because could have, why we are going to follow this one, beta? According to rule, what I have taught, first we will discuss that और at the end में हम इसको discuss करेंगे. देखो, Leila said, मैंने क्या बोला था कि if the sentence started with let और उसके बाद कोई objective case हो me, him, her, them, तो let will change into should and it will come at the place of objective case and इसको हमको सबसे पहले subjective case में change करना पड़ेगा और फिर person के according change करेंगे. तो here Leila wished that clear she should have some coffee. क्योंकि should के साथ बेटा यदि suppose if you want to change have into had तो it will change into should had, जो कि possible नहीं है. We are not going to use should have. We can use should have had, but should had we cannot use here. Clear? So only we have to follow what that Leila wished that she should have some coffee. और इसको यदि let से बनाते हैं हम तो कैसे हो जाएगा बेटा? Leila requested to let her have some coffee. Could have भी ये सही है. Actually बेटा this is the exceptional rule. यानी when we are going to teach the reported speech, we have some exceptional rule. Exceptional rule means बेटा we have to go beyond the rules. Okay? We have to go beyond the rules. Why I have used here could have? Generally when we are going to make a request for something, then we can use what? Could have. तो इस सेंटेंस के तीन तरीके मैंने बता दिया आपको कि either we can follow Leila wished that she could have some coffee or Leila wished that she should have some coffee or Leila requested to let her have some coffee. Clear? I hope it will help you. If you have any doubt, you can consult, you can message to Arvind Geography Words. Surely, maybe थोड़ा late होगा, but surely you will get the reply. Okay? I already explained what is exclamatory sentence and the simple rules. The rule 1 and 2 we had already discussed in the previous video. Here in this video we are going to discuss the third rule of the exclamatory sentence of reported speech. How हम कहाँ पे इस रूल को अप्लाई करेंगे बेटा वो हम देखते हैं. ये जब भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का सेंटेंस हमारा व्हाट और हाउ से स्टार्ट होगा तब ये रूल हम अप्लाई करेंगे. क्लियर? तो for the explanation of this rule, I am going to follow the inductive method. I am just going to give you one example and with example we will discuss about the rule. So see here I have written, he said, comma, inverted comma में, how beautiful Taj is. Clear? He said how beautiful Taj is. और ये रूल कब अप्लाई करेंगे बेटा? When the sentence started with what or how. Clear? When sentence started with what or how in the reported speech. कैसे चेंज करेंगे देखिए. Simply first rule set to convert into what? Exclaimed with surprise. Clear? Set to change it to exclaimed with surprise. For removing the inverted comma, we use that. Third point, for changing the person, we have to apply what? Son upon 1 to 3. Clear? एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट रूल, ध्यान से प्लीज बी फोकस हियर, क्योंकि ये मिस हो गया ना, ये समझ में नहीं आया आपको, तो आप इसको चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो इसको समझना जरूरी है। कैसे? व्हेन वी हैव व्हाट और हाउ के बाद बेटा कोई एडजेक्टिव होगा, कोई भी एडजेक्टिव होगा, तो दिस व्हाट और हाउ इट विल चेंज इनटू वेरी। क्लियर? और यदि कोई नाउन होगा तो इट विल चेंज इनटू ग्रेट। क्लियर? यानी आफ्टर, इफ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट एनी एडजेक्टिव आफ्टर व्हाट एंड हाउ, देन इट विल चेंज इनटू वेरी, and if we are going to get the noun, then it will change into great. Clear? Next rule, what the other changes we will do according to PR. According to PR means better the previous rule, the rule what we had discussed in the last video, like these will convert into that, these will convert into those, today last day. Clear? Today will convert into that day, yesterday will convert into, means so many rules are related to this na, we had discussed in the previous rule. According to that it is. Clear? So only we have to follow this step. The set 2 will change into exclaimed with surprise. You can change it into exclaimed only. exclaimed भी सही है बेटा, किसी कहीं ना कहीं बुक में exclaimed भी केवल दिया रहता है, तो either you can change it into exclaimed with surprise or exclaimed. For removing the inverted comma we use that. For changing the person we have to apply sun upon 1 2 3. And if we are going to get adjective after what and how, then it will change into very. And if we are going to get any noun, it will change into great. अब देखते हैं इसको एग्जाम्पल में कैसे करते हैं। Clear? Here I have written he said how beautiful Taj is. अब इसमें एक रूल और है बेटा, हम सेंटेंस को रीअरेंज भी करते हैं। रीअरेंज द सेंटेंस कैसे? He said, देखिए, said change into exclaimed with surprise. Clear? For removing the inverted comma we have to use that. Clear? अब हम ये चेक करते हैं कि सेंटेंस स्टार्टेड विथ हाउ एंड हाउ के बाद क्या है तुरंत ब्यूटीफुल, एंड ब्यूटीफुल इज व्हाट? इट इज एडजेक्टिव। और रूल हमारा कहता है क्या कि व्हाट और हाउ के बाद एडजेक्टिव हो तो व्हाट और हाउ किसमें चेंज हो जाएगा? वेरी। दिस विल चेंज इनटू वेरी। क्लियर? जब इसके बाद कोई एडजेक्टिव होगा बेटा तो दिस विल चेंज इनटू, उसको चेंज करने के सेंटेंस को रीअरेंज करके he exclaimed with surprise that Taj is will convert into was very beautiful. क्लियर? अब एक दूसरा एग्जांपल देखते हैं, जब हमारे पास कोई नाउन हो तो क्या हम करते हैं, कोई नाउन है तो हम कैसे उसको चेंज करते हैं। देखिए here we can see he said in the same sentence I am just going to, he said comma inverted comma what a fool I am. See here this is what, this is noun, then it will change into great. बाकी सेम पैटर्न we will follow. He exclaimed with surprise that I will come here. He am will change into was a great. It is very simple but very important. So very simple but very important. Every year council used to ask. So it's a very simple. आपको केवल दिमाग में ये बात याद रखना है कि हमारा सेंटेंस व्हाट और हाउ से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए और then it will change into very. We are going to get any noun, then it will change into great. बाकी तो आप पहले की तरह पहले से जानते हैं, बाकी पहले की तरह हम चेंज करते आएंगे उसमें कोई हम चेंजेस अलग से नहीं करते. Only you have to keep in your mind that sad too will change into exclaimed with surprise. Okay? Next देखते हैं. Next rule we will see, that is also related to the exclamatory, and after that we will finish it. Clear? Okay student, देखिए exclamatory का जो rule हम अभी explain करने जा रहे हैं बेटा, वो according to the sense of the sentence which is given in reported speech ना, जो reported speech में sentence दिया है उसके according हम चेक करें. ये कोई special सा rule नहीं है, ये it is part of what we had discussed in the previous rule. कैसे उसको चेंज करते देखते हैं. फर्स्ट we will see one example and then according to that. Suppose I have written he said comma inverted comma. Clear? Well done comma you have done well. Clear? Well done you have done. कैसे चेंजेस करते हैं? जैसे हमने प्रीवियस रूल में देखा वैसे ही हम इसमें भी करते हैं, बट इसमें केवल रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब बेटा वो हमारा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में आया हुआ जो सेंटेंस है उसकी फीलिंग कैसा इमोशन दे रहा है, कैसा फील करा रहा है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. कैसे देखिए, हियर द वेल डन यू हैव डन. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू से वेल डन टू एनीवन, जब कोई काम अच्छा किया उसकी तारीफ करते हैं, शाबाशी देते हैं, है ना, तब हम चेंज करते हैं. क्लियर? पहले एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे कैसे ये चेंजेस होते हैं. तो जैसे ही प्रेज वी कैन से हियर प्रेज, वी हैव मोर वर्ड एप्लुएटेड. क्लियर? नॉर्मली सेड टू विल चेंज इनटू he applauded with praise or he praised. Clear? So he praised. For removing the inverted comma we can use that, and same पहले की तरह you have been changed into had done well. Clear? It is suppose we are going to use this one, he applauded. He applauded with the praise, or simply we can write applauded. Applauded itself expressing that we are going to congratulate, we are going to say well done to someone else. Clear? तो वो हम पहले से कर सकते हैं. तो he applauded with praise that you had done. Clear? It is suppose beta, if we are going to write any word here which express the sadness, like he said comma inverted comma sorry I was not able to come. Yeah, I am not able to come. Suppose sorry I am not able to come. Then see second, he said comma inverted comma. Clear? Sorry I am not able to come. तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. क्या हो जाएगा? ही रिग्रेटेड, और जो आपको लगता है ही रिग्रेटेड कॉमा हटाने के लिए दैट. क्लियर? ही वाज नॉट एबल टू कम. क्लियर? अब अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वर्ड रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब विल चेंज. One more example, see. He said comma inverted comma congratulations you have done well. Same sentence. Suppose he said comma inverted comma congratulations you have done well. So reporting word कैसे हो जाएगा? He congratulated. He congratulated that he had done. आपने देखा सेम ऐसे रूल को हम अप्लाई करते हैं. बस इसमें आपको ये ध्यान देना बेटा कि what the word we are going to get in reported speech According to that, we are going to change the reporting verb. यानी जैसा फीलिंग हमको आता है, if we are going to say well done to someone or congratulate to someone, yeah, we are going to lament, we are going to regret, we are going to be happy. According to that, we will write here. Okay? Okay, my dear student, this is now here we are going to finish this chapter. If you have any doubt regarding any rules, either if you have any doubt regarding imperative, exclamatory, optative, simples, कुछ भी doubt है, you can message me, I can reply you. Clear? If you want to get full marks related to the reported speech, then must watch Arvind Geography course. Thank you. In next video, we will here discuss about the format, the pattern, and how we are going to get the marks and how we are going to lose the marks in later writing. So stay tuned with this channel. We will see the later writing format in next video.